Namaskar. I am Uday Sankar Singh, creator of Uday the Art of Learning, which makes the students' learning easy, interesting, and scoring through its educational videos. Wind. The poem is originally written in Tamil by great poet, patriot, hero of the national movement Subramanya Bharati. The poem is translated in English by A.K. Ramanujan. The poem talks about life, its adversity and overcoming. Everything of this poem will be explained. All the hidden meaning will be uncovered. Poem description, rhyme scheme and literary devices will be explained. Wind, come softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. The wind god winnows and crushes them all. He won't do what you tell him. So come, let's build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly. Practice to form the body, make the hearts steadfast. Do this, and the wind will be friends with us. The wind blows out big fires. He makes the strong fires roar and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. Wind. I'm going to explain you each and every point of this poem. There are 22 lines in this poem, but the poem is not divided into different stanzas. For convenience, I have divided this poem into 5 different segments. In first segments, I have taken 4 lines. These 4 lines goes like this. Wind, come softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on this shelf. I think the poem is written in very simple language. Only one word should be explained, scatter. Scatter means चीजों को बिखरा देना यहाँ वहाँ. The things spread out here and there by a force is called scatter. The poet is talking in these lines. Poet is talking to wind and urging him to come softly, to come gently. धीरे से आने के लिए उनको कह रहे हैं डोंट ब्रेक द शटर्स ऑफ द विंडोज. विंडोज के शटर को तोड़ने के लिए नहीं कह रहे हैं, यानी कि तेज हवा चलने के लिए नहीं कह रहे हैं. डोंट स्कैटर द पेपर्स. और शायद जो पेपर है वो कुछ लिख रहे हैं, उसको बिखराने के लिए कह रहे हैं कि उसे बिखराया नहीं. डोंट थ्रो डाउन द बुक ऑन द सेल्फ. और सेल्फ पर जो बुक रखा हुआ है उसको गिराए नहीं. ये पोइट अर्ज कर रहे हैं, रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं विंड से. ही इज अर्जिंग हिम not to disturb, because he is writing something very, very important. It may be a poem. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Weaklings means weak people. In these lines, poet's tone is complaining. He's not happy. He's anxious because he was writing something important and wind has disturbed all the things. कह रहे हैं तुमने क्या किया? You threw them all down. सारी चीजों को नीचे गिरा दिया. You tore the pages of the books. और किताब को भी गिरा दिया, उसके पन्ने फट गए. You brought rain again. He is saying that you have brought the rain again. Excess rain is very harsh for poor people because their houses are not so strong to survive in continuous rain. फिर आगे कहते हैं यू आर वेरी क्लेवर एट पोकिंग फन एट पिकलिंग्स. तुमको गरीबों को सताने में मजा आता है. शायद इस लाइन में अब हवा एक ताकत, पावर का को इंडिकेट करता है, और इसी तरह से जो सोसाइटी में भी जो पावरफुल लोग हैं तो उनको भी गरीबों को सताने में बड़ा आनंद आता है. शायद इसी बात को यहाँ पर पोएट कहना चाहते हैं. He wants to say that the rich people of the society do the same as the wind do. They enjoy and they make fun of the poverty of the people of their same society. Frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling herds. The wind god we knows and curses them all. He won't do what you tell him. In these lines, Subramanya Bharati says all the things which are frail, weak will be destroyed by the wind. Wind carries away the things which has no weight or lighter things. As you can see, you must have seen in the villages, women drop grains from a height to blow away the husk or sap from the grain. Poet uses wind to symbolize a problem of life. The people who are weak can't keep themselves whole or complete. They crumble, scatter like frail or weak things. When adversity comes, they destroy. They don't face the problem. Poet says destruction of weak is obvious because this is wind's nature to help in weathering. He does not listen. He does not show any mercy. Just like the problems in human life will not go simply by prayers. So, come, let's build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly. Practice to form the body. Make the heart steadfast. Do this, and the wind will be friend with us. The poem starts with the poet's personal problem with the wind, but he incites every weak things or people are destroyed. He associates the wind with the problems of life and suggests to build strong homes to face the wind. Strong homes are built with love, compassion, and concern for each other. He says, join the doors firmly so that no negative thoughts enter and destroy the homes. The poet also says, practice to form the body. Because he knows the importance of a strong body can contain a beautiful heart, a steadfast heart. Steadfast means to stay consistent, not fluctuate or change unexpectedly. And poet use heart instead of mind because he knows the limitation of mind. Only you can have a steadfast heart when you discard your mind. And in the final line, poet says, do this and the wind will be friends with us. It become your friend. Problem become your solution. These are the last four lines of the poem Wind. The wind blows out big fires. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. We know big fire like candle fire is easily extinguished by the wind. But with the help of wind, forest fire is spread fast. आग का जंगल को जब हवा मिलता है तो वह और बहुत तेजी से बढ़ता है, लेकिन एक छोटी सी हवा कैंडल के आग को बुझा देता है. Just like that, strong people and weak people react to the adverse situation differently. Weak people react like a candle. They can't survive in adverse situations. But strong people become even stronger after the adverse situation. He learns many things from the harsh adverse situation. वो बहुत कुछ सीखता है अपने जीवन में और अपने जीवन को और उन्नत बना लेता है. In last line, the poet says, friendship is good. His friendship means powerful people's friendship is good. And all people praise, प्रशंसा करते हैं वैसे लोगों को जो अपने जीवन में सफल होते हैं. Now, finally, I am going to explain you the rhyme scheme and the poetic literary devices of this poem. There is no rhyme scheme in this poem. Poem is free verse, and literary devices which has been used, first is personification. Wind. Poet talks to the wind just like a person. So wind is personified in this poem. There is another poetic devices, imagery. Imagery कहते हैं कि जब आप कुछ पढ़ रहे होते हो तो आपके दिमाग में कुछ पिक्चर बनता है, तो इस पूरे पोएम में इसका यूज किया गया है. अब शुरू वाले 4 लाइन में ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे किसी रूम में कोई आदमी बैठा है, कुछ लिख रहा है और हवा के द्वारा वो डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है, ये इमेज बनता है. दूसरा है सिंबॉलिज्म. जब हम एक चीज को दूसरे चीज के रूप में दिखाने का कोशिश करते हैं तो उसको सिंबॉलिज्म कहते हैं. तो यहाँ बहुत जगह यूज किया गया है. अब क्रम्बलिंग वुड, क्रम्बलिंग bodies, all these things are used to represent the life, the adversity, the weakness of the people. अगला है आपका रिपीटिशन. जब किसी वर्ड का या फ्रेज का या किसी भी चीज का बार बार दोहराया जाता है तो उसको हम रिपीटिशन कहते हैं. यहाँ इस पोएम में क्रम्बलिंग वर्ड्स बहुत बार आया है तो ये रिपीटिशन हो गया. एलिट्रेशन कहते हैं सेम वॉवेल साउंड से शुरू होने वाला बहुत सारा शब्द. यहाँ पर देखिए इलिट्रेशन दिख रहा है, विंड, विल. एनाफोरा कहते हैं यदि एक ही शब्द से, जैसे डोंट, यहाँ भी लाइन के सबसे पहले डोंट आया, यहाँ डोंट, यहाँ डोंट, तो ये लगातार एक ही सेम वर्ड से शुरू होने वाला जो शब्द
होता है पोएम में, उसको हम एनाफोरा कहते हैं। तो ये सारे पोएटिक डिवाइसेस और राइम स्कीम के बारे में हम लोग जान गए। Uday, the art of learning will keep uploading useful videos. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, press bell icon to get notifications, press the like button, write your valuable comment in comment box. Thank you.